Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam. So I got a special request to do video about Nudex. So Nudex is a decentralized exchange. The reason why they gave it the name, I guess, was because it was one of the first DEX on the EOS ecosystem. Or should I say on the EOSIO ecosystem? Okay, you might not know what EOSIO is, but let me. All right, so this what now? This coin right here is EOS, but it is gotten from the software EOSIO. All right, so if you go to blocktivity.info, you'll notice something. Let it load, and then you come to protocol. Okay, this is transaction for record protocol. Now is this the I don't think this is what I'm looking for. Okay, what I'm looking for is not here. Anyways, EOSIO is a software that EOS uses, but if you click here, you see the different blockchains that are using this same software. We have EOS, we have Proton, we have Wax, TELOS, Fuel, Boscore, Europe Chain, Coffee, and these guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is the most popular, and then this, and then this, and then this. Right, so Nudex is an exchange that is listed on EOSIO. So it's a decentralized exchange, meaning they don't have custody over your funds, so you can trade decentrally, if there's any word like that. All right, so this is my EOS account. No, that's not it. So this is one of my EOS accounts that I'll be using for this video. I don't think I have any balance left. But I'll just show us how we can place trades, right? So I want to trade. Let's assume I have some coins, let's say Emanate or Nudex coin, and I want to trade them. So I need to come to the exchange, Nudex exchange, nudex.io. I'll drop the link in the description so you guys can check it out. So you click sign in. Now there are several ways you can sign into Nudex. So you can use Live Wallet, you can use Kata, you can use Token Pockets, can use Wombat, Anchor. My favorite is Anchor, right? Anchor is created by this guy is Greymass, right? Greymass is the company that created Anchor. You download the wallet. This is what it looks like. I don't have good software video editing tools, but once you get the app, mostly on iOS, this is what it looks like. And then you come back to Nudex and you click Anchor rather, and then you use this part. You click scan and scan the barcode, and voila, you're in. So let's do that. Let me scan. So I'm opening the Anchor wallet from my mobile phone, and I'll scan. I just scanned, and then it's to give me a prompt and telling me how to log in with my identity, right? So it's to scan my face, and boom, I'm in. Really fast, really fast. So Anchor just lets you connect to the blockchain, blockchain, just same way we have MetaMask. So you can, just the same way a centralized exchange work, you can actually trade any of the coins on EOSIO or EOX. Yeah, these are the different trading pairs. Then to check your wallets, all you have to do is come to assets. Yeah, these are different cryptocurrencies I have right now. I don't have much on this particular wallet. So the okay. the coins on this wallet actually took them out. But you want to trade a coin, you just click here, any of them. Let's say Apix. I doubt I can trade this Apix, but I'll just give it a try. I doubt it can be sold. Yeah, these are some of the issues you will face. But I'll see if I can show us how to fix that. Now, if you're using Greymax wallet, Greymax should let you sell, make some free transactions. So let's the placing with limit order lets you put a price you want to sell with, and then we'll market order you sell at the best average price. So want to sell 50%. Let's see if it works. It's loading now. It's prompting me to go to the wallet. That's my Dubai number right there. So I'm going to slide to the right on my mobile phone and scan my face. You see how very secure it is, and my face has been scanned. I don't know if it will go through right now. Yeah, it won't go through because I need to have enough power to be able to pull that transaction through. I don't know if I have the time to show us how to do that in this video. I want this video to be less than 3 minutes. It's already 6 minutes. Let me just see. I don't want this to get to 10 minutes. If I can do it in less than 10 minutes, then that'll be fine. So agree. So I'm actually, since I'm out of CPU and net, you can actually either rent. We can rent into your own account. So you can say use one, and then you can rent for 24 hours. If it's rent, that means after 24 hours you get your stuff back, your money back. So once you rent, it will cost you about 5 EOS, right? 5 staked EOS to make this transaction, and then once you make the transaction, you unstake your EOS and you go your way. So typically, just like any other exchange, you can just click the sell, but basically but sometimes Greymax gives you free transactions. Yep. So that is how to. So in case you want to look for other pairs, these are other pairs, and you can sell. Now, how to switch accounts? If you want to switch accounts, you click switch, and then you go to anchor, and you scan again. Once you scan, there will be a drop down. You see your name, your on-chain name. I already have a video on how to create an EOS account. Maybe you might see it popping up at the top right corner of the video. So I'll just switch to which name should I use? Okay, let me use this very old name. All right, old account. So I've switched to another account. You can see the name is showing right here. Let me see. I've not opened this account for years. I think I took out everything. Oh, just $1. Now let's do another switch. Let's switch to, want to use Anchor. So switching to Hagglex token. All right. So that is how to switch. That is how to place a trade, and that's how to move around. Nudex is pretty simple to use. What's this new pool all about? I think I'm seeing that for the first time. This video rather won't exceed. Oh, it's a staking pool. Cool. So they have a staking pool for EOS, Tron, IUST. Nice. Okay. Means you can actually stake your coins and then get rewards every year, which is 3.29% per annum. It's pretty cool. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. Please let me know if you like the video or enjoyed the video, and I will most certainly see you again. See ya.